Hey guys, it's VJ. Welcome back to my channel. Today, Forever 21 decided to launch a new line of Cheeto collaboration. It's a collaboration with Cheeto and it's a whole line of different clothing. So come with us.
I got lollipops.
Woo! Yummy, yummy, yummy. Show them what we got.
I got this lollipop stick, which is cotton candy because I love
Cotton candy flavor.
Then I got this strawberry, red strawberry, rock candy stick thing.
Yummy! Alright, we're on our way to Forever 21. Look at all these items. So many different Cheeto stuff. And look, they come with this little, I don't know what this is. I'm feeling, and it doesn't feel like there's anything inside. So I think it's just like an accessory that they put on there so that you can associate it with the chips. Because it feels like it's just air in there, right?
Yeah, there's only air.
So much cool stuff. It's mostly tops. So I got this skirt to try on with them. This was part of the display for the Cheeto collection, but I don't think it's actually part of the Cheeto collection. It was just on the display.
Yeah, but it's still a
Because it doesn't have that.
But it's a Cheeto print.
It is Cheeto print, but it doesn't have that, and it's just a regular Forever 21 tag, whereas the Cheeto collection has like a Cheeto tag. So this isn't part of the collection, but it was over there with the display, so I'm going to try it on with all the clothes since they're mostly tops. So yeah, let's get started. I'm so excited. These are so cute. Shirt number one is it feels so nice. It's really smooth and kind of has a bathing suit texture to it, but it doesn't have any padding, so I would personally not wear this to the pool or the beach. This is a small, and it's the smallest size I can find. I found that a lot of their stuff, the smallest was a small. This is super loose, so that sucks considering that this is their smallest size. Look at this top, it is so cute. It's a crop top with spaghetti straps. Super cute. Oh, I was wondering why it was feeling weird back there. There we go, fix that. And it looks pretty cute with this cheetah print red bottom over here. I'm so sorry it's really loud in here. There's a lot of people trying on some clothes right now because it is a Friday. And yeah, this collection matches my earrings. I love it. It's cute. Yes. I'm living for this. I really like orange, especially in the summer. I like orange and yellow and bright green and those kind of colors. So this collection is just, it's me. I want every single item. Look at this tube top. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be cropped, but I'm short, so it's not looking very cropped on me, which I am all about because I'm not too comfortable showing off my stomach. Sometimes I will, but more often than not I won't. But this is super cute. I love the length actually on this. It looks really nice with this red cheetah print skirt. But it is a little bit loose, so it wasn't as tight as I hoped it would be. Usually tube tops, I want them to be very snug and very fit, that way they're not falling down and I don't have to keep readjusting like this. So I would have preferred for it to be a little bit tighter, and this is their smallest size, a small. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that in this video, but overall it's super cute. Okay, so this shirt is cropped. Even on a short person like me, it is still short. This is so uncomfortable. I would never wear this. I would never wear this. I think it's cute. The color is pretty cute as well. The print is nice. It's not easy being cheesy. So that's pretty cute and pretty cheesy. Alright, there seems to be a lot of crop tops in this collection. I get it though because it is a summer collection, so it makes sense. But this is really cute. It's tie-dye effect, says FLAMIN hot trademark right there for the hot Cheetos. It's really cute, and even though it is cropped on me, I could definitely wear this like with a high-waisted skirt or high-waisted pants, you know, something like that, so it only shows a sliver of skin and not too much. So that's actually something that I can get on board with. So what do you guys think of this Cheeto collection? I'm really loving it. I thought it was going to be super cheesy, but I saw pictures online on Forever 21's Instagram, and I was like, ooh, I gotta try some of those things and see what they look like on. And so far, I'm loving most of them. This shirt I would buy this. This is a 10 out of 10 for me for the Cheeto collection. Okay, here we go again with the cropped shirts. Yeah, I might be able to wear this one too with a high-waisted pant or high-waisted skirt or shorts because it's not as high. Like the other one was pretty much under my bra, like right here. But this one's still a little bit longer. So I might be able to get away with this one. It's super, like, huge. Do you see? There's a lot of space in there. So it's really airy for summer. It'll be super comfortable. Or this might be even a nice bikini cover up when you go to the pool, you get your bikini on and you put this on top and some short shorts on the bottom, you know. At the pool, it's fine. But out and about, you gotta wear those high-waisted stuff. For me, at least. Alright, here is the Cheeto dress. Yes, so cute. This is the one I was most excited about when I saw their post on the Forever 21 Instagram page. I was like, I have to try that dress. And so far, it's super cute. The only issue is that it's too big for me. You can tell there's a lot of extra fabric here. And here, it's not as tight as I would have wanted. And as I mentioned earlier, when it comes to tubes, I want them to be tight so that they're not falling off and I'm not constantly adjusting them. So yeah, but it's cute. It's just not for me. It's too big. There's way too much space going on in here. But I am pleasantly surprised with this collection. Okay, so this is one of their long sleeve sweatshirts, or maybe just long sleeve shirts. It's huge. This is a size small and it is huge. So I don't know, maybe it's meant to be worn like a sweater dress type of deal. I don't know. It's kind of see-through, so I wouldn't wear it like that. But yeah, I don't know about this one. Okay, so this is more like it. It is long sleeves, but it's short enough to look cute with jeans or with shorts. Unlike the other one, has that fire print as well on the side. Love that. Maybe you can just cut the other one because it's about the same size here on top and on the sleeves. So maybe you can just cut it here and then make it look cute. Although I don't know about spending $20 on a shirt just to cut it, you know what I'm saying? But overall, this is cute too. I like the drop sleeves. That's really in right now, so yeah. If you're the type of person that likes to wear long sleeves, even in the summer, this is a cute top that you can wear. So that was it, you guys, for all of the Cheeto stuff here at Forever 21. Where are we going now? I think we're gonna go to Target to look for some swimsuits because we want to go to the pool over at our neighborhood sometime soon. It is summer break already. And so yeah, I'm gonna do that. We're gonna go look for some swimsuits. And then after that, we're gonna go to Menchie's, get some frozen yogurt. Right?
Yeah.
Yum.